Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change iCloud Apple ID password without phone number verification code. So guys, if you want to change your iCloud or Apple ID password, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to change Apple ID password without phone number and email verification code. Simply tap on the settings app, tap on the Apple ID and little bit scroll up to find sign out and tap on it. You can see appears on screen password iPhone is, tap on cancel, simply tap on sign in and security. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen change password, tap on it. You can see appears on screen enter your iPhone password, enter your iPhone password. You can see appears on screen new password. Simply wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen new password. Enter your new password. Enter your new password and verify your new password. Tap on continue. Sign out from other devices. Don't sign out. Tap on don't sign out. Tap on continue. Sign out other devices. Again continue. Your password must be at least enter your iPhone passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Enter new password. You can see appears on screen. Choose a secure password you can remember. Simply tap on continue, sign out other devices. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen change Apple ID password successfully. Go back. You can see sign out. Enter your new password. Tap on turn off. You can see sign out. You can see appears on screen. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to change Apple ID password without phone number and verification code. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.